So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial guys, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-share ng exact location or ng real-time location sa ating messenger. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, make sure na updated yung messenger na gagamitin natin. So open na natin yung ating messenger. And dito guys, mamili kayo ng isang conversation na gusto nyong pagsendan ng inyong exact location as of now. So for example, is itong conversation na to, dito kayo send yung location ko ngayon. So ang gagawin nyo lang guys, pagka-open, itap nyo lang yung plus button na nandito sa my left corner. And ayan guys, may mga options dito na lalabas. So ang itatap nyo is location. So kung nakikita nyo yun guys, na-detect yung ating current location. So make sure na naka-open yung inyong location services guys para ma-detect yung location nyo ngayon. Then kapag okay na guys and kita nyo na nasa tamang location yung blue na circle, itap na natin yung send current location. Ayan guys, nag-send na yung ating current location. So once na na-receive na nila yan guys, at in-open, automatic ma-view nila kung nasan yung ating exact location. So, dapat din guys, naka-turn on yung kanilang location services para makita nila yung ating location. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-share ng exact location sa Messenger. If you have a question, comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.